Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Do you remember that video on manufacturing processes on Lathe? In that video, I don't have discussed on knurling processes in depth. And as knurling is most interesting process, we should have a special video on it. And here it is. Yes, in this video we are going to discuss about a knurling process, how interesting it is, why it is important, and how can we perform it. So let's find these answers. So, basically the knurling is the process of embossing the special pattern on the diameter of job or workpiece. In knurling, there are two types. One is diamond knurling and another is straight knurling. In diamond knurling, shape of pattern is diamond-like ups and downs, and there are vertical strips in straight knurling. This process is important to obtain the grip so that the equipment like hammer will not slip from our hand. This process is also used to increase the diameter of workpiece. Every type of knurling has its special tool according to type of knurling or according to diameter of workpiece. So let's take a closer look towards the tool. So this is the knurling tool. It has its own body with attached a gear-like drum which has sharp tips, and the drum is able to rotate about its own axis. Straight knurling tool has only one drum, whereas diamond knurling tool has one additional. So let's get started on a machine. So this is our job and we want a knurling on this profile. For that, clamp the job on machine, then apply brown cutting oil on the tool and workpiece for proper lubrication and easy cutting purpose. Now get the tool closer to the workpiece and penetrate the tips of knurling tool slightly deeper, not more than 0.1 mm, into the workpiece using cross slide. Subsequently, move the tool along the length of workpiece with low feed rate up to the length you want. Here, the gear-like drum of tool rotates in relative speed of workpiece, hence the diamond pattern is embossed all over the diameter of workpiece. Now, increase the depth of tool by 0.1 mm using cross slide and come back to initial position in reverse mode. Repeat this process up to your total depth becomes 0.5 to 0.6 mm. When done, turn off the machine and remove workpiece from chuck. And here are the results. In this process, the brown cutting oil has important role in it. This gives high finishing to the pattern. This also increases the life of tool. Okay guys, this is a lot for today. We will definitely meet in next video, but up till it, tata, bye bye.